Let's learn together.
How to apply scale entities. Okay, for this type of scale entities, you will be allowed to scale entities to be a bigger or smaller entity. Okay, let's go for the example. Okay, first select the entities to scale. Okay, at the parameter box, okay, select the base point. Okay, I will select this point. Okay, and then select the scale factor. Okay, this is the first example. Okay, let's proceed to the next example. Okay, we sketch a rectangle first. Okay, select the entities to scale. Okay, for the base point, I will select this point. Okay, and then select the scale factor. Okay, if you click the copy at the bottom, okay, you can set the number of copy of the scale. Okay, for the example, you can see this, the copy of scale entities. Okay, we try for the last example. Okay, select the entities to scale. Okay, and then select the base point. Okay, I will select the base point at the center of the rectangle. Okay, and then the scale I will select 1.3. Okay, for the numbers of copy, okay, you can set the number whatever you want. Okay, this is example. Okay, it's done.